when you think of poverty, how would you define it? And does it have any personal or professional meaning to you at all?
Oh, absolutely. It has meaning to me because I have had friends who've experienced poverty. I've had family members who've experienced poverty, and I represent constituents who experience it. And for me, poverty is many things. We can think of the inability to have resources to provide appropriate nutrition, to provide you know assets for a family, but we also can think of just the inability to reach destinations, employment destinations, the inability to acquire a good education, a good a career experience. I think for me, poverty is really the lack of access to those type of opportunities, and I think it is government's responsibility to do whatever it can to try to provide that access to opportunity.
Thank you so very much. And that lack thereof is exactly what a lot of people would identify as a concern when they're thinking about poverty in general. And you talked about a few things: nutrition, transportation, access in general. In our county, there are roughly about 828,000 residents.
Mhm.
And our county statistics recently is about 9.8%. That's roughly about 81,027 um, people in our county across 7 districts. Out of 827,000, that may not seem, 81,000 may not seem a lot, but one is enough. And so when we're thinking about in terms of, let's start with nutrition. When we think in terms of access from a healthy standpoint, or the food deserts that occupy some pockets of our county for various number of reasons and things that are being worked on, what do you see as the